So we're doing a photo shoot today with Kim, and so I had to come out and get female clothes, something that I know absolutely nothing about, but we'll see how it works out, you know. We got one piece of prop here, but to get some props and set up the scene and start shooting some pictures, we gotta dig through the bag, through all the goodies. We're about to get Kim to run through all these stuff. We have all the poses. We know the poses that we want to accomplish. We download the pose on the internet so we can be fast and efficient. Don't think I need to set up staging light, maybe one over here to kill some of the shadow. So we're gonna set up one of the staging light out of the box. All right. Kim in our first outfit, about to do our first pose. We're gonna phone in hand, glasses, phone in the hand, no glasses, phone in the hand, cap, phone in the hand, no hat.
After creating your account, make sure you sign up for platinum membership so you can get free shipping to Jamaica.
Let's try to get to the one line again.
Sorry.
Let's try to get it to the one line again.
Sorry.
On the video while you're working me through it. How do you dip into it? I might have to be on the other side shooting up. Oh God. Oh my God, this is work.